Hello friends, today I discussed another report. So here the report, WHO said health emergencies programs are executive director Michael Ryan said something about the emergency programs of COVID-19. So let's start the discussion from here. Concealed to aerosol release, super emitters have been hypothesized as contributors to super spreading events. WHO said health emergencies programs are executive director Michael Ryan said that there were specific issues in India regarding a large amount of migration, dense population in the urban environment, and the fact that many workers had no choice but to go to work every day. COVID-19 has not exploded in India, but the risk of it happening remains as the country moves towards existing lockdown that was imposed in March to contain the disease, according to the top WHO expert. WHO Health Emergencies Programs Executive Director Michael Ryan said on June 5 the doubling time of cases in India was about 3 weeks at this stage. So the direction of the travel of the epidemic was not exponential, but it was still growing, he said. The impact of the pandemic was different in different parts of the India and varied between urban and rural settings. In the South Asia, not just like India, but in Bangladesh and Pakistan, other countries in South Asia with a large dense population, the disease has not exploded, but there is always the risk that happening, Mr. Ryan said in Geneva. He stressed that as the disease generated and created a foothold in the communities, it could accelerate at any time, as had been seen in a number of settings. Mr. Ryan noted that measures taken in the India, like the nationwide lockdown, had helped an impact in slow transmission, but the risk of an increase in cases loomed as the countries open up. The measures taken in India. So friends, this is the video. In the next chapter, I will discuss other informations about the COVID-19. Thank you.